For this next exercise, we're going to be taking some Athabasca oil sand and cleaning it. We're going to do so by using some hot water. We're just going to plug that in, wait for it to boil, and then pour it into this cup while stirring. Okay, our water is now boiling, so we're going to unplug the cord, and we're going to take some of this water and just pour it into our cup of sand. We want enough in there so we can actually get started cleaning it, but not too much that we cause a lot of spills. And we're just going to stir. Now, as we're stirring, the water, because it's hot, is going to be loosening the oil from the sand. And as we keep stirring, more and more of that sand is going to get cleaned of oil, and the oil is going to be suspended in the hot water solution. So we're just going to clean this for approximately 2 minutes or so, with gentle stirring, trying not to spill, because of course it's very sticky and would make a big mess. Okay, I've been stirring this for approximately 2 minutes, breaking up the clumps of sand in here, and there's also clay. And what we have now is a kind of a thick slurry mud. What we're going to do now is try to separate out the oil and water from the sand. In order to do that, first we're going to let the cup rest for about a minute or so. Okay, it's been about a minute. We're going to now try to pour the water and oil solution into this clean cup while not getting any of the sand that's in here. Okay, that was pretty good. Notice now in this cup we've got hot water and oil, and in this cup we have hot water, oil, and also a lot of sand left. So we're going to then clean this one a second time. Okay, our water is boiling again, so we're going to unplug the cord. We're going to pour some more hot water into the cup containing the remaining Athabasca oil sand, and we're going to proceed to clean again. Just like before, we're trying to break up any oil that's attached to the sand particles. We're going to stir this gently for a couple of minutes and then let the solution settle, and then pour the hot water and oil into the clean cup. Okay, so the solution has approximately had 1 or so minutes to rest, and now I'm going to pour as much of the hot water and oil into the cup containing the cleaned oil. Okay, so now notice in this cup I've got a lot of sand, and in this cup I have hardly any sand, still some, but it's a lot cleaner. The job now would be to separate out the remaining sand, which is not very much considering what used to be in there, and then after that separate the water from the petroleum. Once we've got that done, then we can ship the petroleum via pipeline or maybe a train to whatever refinery would like to buy it.